Today, you will learn the important skill of using glue the right way in art class. Pause the video and have a discussion at your table. Ask yourselves, why do we need to learn to use glue correctly in art class? Using too much glue or not enough glue can ruin an art project. Glue should not be leaking out of the sides of what you are gluing. Let's watch and learn how to use glue. First, open the glue nozzle by turning it so it raises up and away from touching the glue bottle. Next, hold the glue bottle upside down until glue travels to the nozzle. Then squeeze the glue bottle lightly while applying a thin line of glue all along the edges of the paper that will be glued down. Don't put a big glob of glue, just a thin line. Glue the paper down to the other paper and smooth it out. Again, squeeze a thin line of glue along the edges of the paper that will be glued down. Glue it down and smooth it out. If you're doing it correctly, you should not have globs of glue coming out the edges of your paper. Lastly, close the glue bottle nozzle by twisting it so that it touches the glue bottle. Now that you know how much glue to use, which one of these pieces of paper shows glue used the right way? Is it the green one or the red one? Now it's your turn to practice using glue. Use your glue to take pieces of construction paper and glue it on your background paper like this. Pause and practice. Now you know the correct way and the right amount of glue you need when gluing your artwork. Remember to use the skills you learn when creating your own projects.